Before I put up my polish, I wanted to test this out. I had ordered this case off of Amazon, and it's actually a essentials oil case, and I got it for 70% off. I think I only paid, gosh, I'm gonna have to look at how much I paid. I can't exactly remember, but it was a really cheap price because it was regular, you know, like 17 or, you know, 12, somewhere in there, and I think I paid like $4 to $6 or something like that. So it was really fairly cheap. But I wanted to see if, let me see if I can get it open, if I can fit my nail polish in it, like for traveling or whatever. So this is how it looks on the inside. It has a little zipper compartment where you can put things I thought would be good for like nail tools, brushes, dotting tools, stuff like that. And it has these little plugs in it, as you can see. Look at the sparkle on the foam though. This is foam, and I don't know if you guys can see those little circles or little foam things that you take out. So I was wondering if I would be able to fit polish in it, and I hope that I can. So since I was about to put these away, I figured I'd test it. Now I thought that these would be good to put in there, the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Wear, because they're circular and kind of skinny. And with it being foam, yeah, I figure, you know, you can manipulate it in there so it fits. Now I don't know if it's gonna close. Okay, I can get it zipped. It won't push all the way down. As you can see, it's still an opening, but I'm pretty sure I can get it zipped. So let's try. I'm gonna try some of the LA colors, see if those will fit in here. It's a little hard, but like I said, with it being foam, you can kind of manipulate it in there. So yeah, not bad. They're kind of fitting. I would probably put mainly these in there and these. Let's see, I have a Pro Bell sitting here. Let's see how this fits. And I'll try that Wet n Wild too, because it's square. I figure more rounder polish. This may be too big. Oh, okay, I got it. It could get in there better, but since I'm using one hand, I'm doing the best I can. That went in there perfectly, actually. So the Wet n Wilds fit in there good. The tops look about the same height. I'm just hoping it closes good. So let's try. Oh, I may not be able to put anything in here though because of the height. Let's see. Okay, let me try to close it. See if I can sit y'all down. Oh, it closes perfectly. Perfect. It's actually not squishing it or nothing. It kind of expands a little bit. You can see it gave it some extra room. So it's not smushing it at all. So it actually closed really nicely. So that's not bad. Okay. Yeah, I had to do a little experiment there. My light just went out. So yeah, I got this off of Amazon. If I do not forget, I'll put the link in the description box if you guys are interested in maybe going to look it up and picking you guys one up. But I think it's kind of cool just to store some polish, like if you want to go do your friend's nails, you know, if you're a nail tech, whatever. Like I always go do my mom's nails, my mother-in-law's and stuff like that, and I like to bring an array of polish for them to pick from. So I figured this would be something nice to get, and plus it was on, like I said, I got it for 70% off or so. So I said, why the heck not? If I can't fit these in there, I could always take the foam out and just lay some polishes in the bottom, or just use this for nail tools. You know, take the foam out and just use it for a nail tool case, brushes and stuff like that or whatever. but I guess I can go ahead and use it for polish. I just don't know if I'll be able to put something in here as well as close it without breaking any of my tools. But other than that, it's fitting the Sally Hansen Extremes Wear, the Alley Colors Gel, and the Wet n Wild Square Polish, and it did fit my round Pro Bale. So, I mean, that's good enough for me. I'm not sure how many spots we have in here. I'll probably add that in the description box once I count how many of the big holes are in here, because these other ones are really tiny. But yeah, I may try to fill it up, see what I can do if it is still closed. But I like it. I thought it was cute since it was pink and it has a little carrying handle, comes in handy. So yeah, alright you guys, thank you for watching. Thumbs up the video, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all later.